All right, once again, last day, third day, the guys were really on the ball. They got the job done for this first part. So the road is done. They went ahead and put four trips of gravel on the grade so that we don't go back down to those really big boulders. And the rest of the road will stay on this dirt. And the camping part is really awesome. So they still have to remove this topsoil. So he's gonna be paying me for this topsoil. I'm not getting top dollar, but it was supposed to go in a hole. So a bit is better than nothing. So this is going, this going, that's going. So it's going to be all cleaned up. So this is the first site. I'll be flying over with the drone so you can have a bird's eye view once again. So these are signs I had done, so when people come and visit, they'll say, okay, site 1, I want parking number 2, number 1, or number 4. So this is really nicely done. So the next step is going to be putting some what do you call it? Plumbing for the black water and the sewage from the travel trailers. They'll be going down with the grade into the sewage system that's going to be put right at the edge here. Right here. So gravity will do the job. So that's why we're not putting gravel right away into parking spaces, because we still have to do some trenching to put the plumbing in there. But we're getting there. To think it was like over there with all these little trees. And this is the second site. We should have 4 or 5. This one is really nice also. You can see, I'm not sure if you can see it in the on the video, but you can actually, this rock face is almost makes you dizzy, it's so high. Always eagles flying over past. I gotta check this little guy. Because the eagles will have a little snack. So this is site 2. Look at that. So this guy can take some pretty big travel trailers on this one. Really awesome. To come to fruition is really fun. When you're walking in the woods, it's really not that easy to try to map it out in your head and on paper, and but now it's done. Bisky! So I'm stoked. This is gonna be so awesome. So we still got quite a ways We go over there, like you saw on the drone footage there. We go all the way to the end. On this side, you've got campground, and on the other side where the pickup is are the lots. So I'm so happy. It's done. Woohoo!